Hey everyone, the Blackview Mega 1 is the company's newest tablet offering. Blackview is well known for its rugged phones. Many improvements and features that improve the overall user experience are packed into this Android-powered tablet. Compared to its predecessor, the Blackview Mega 1's bigger display is one of its most notable characteristics. Whether streaming their favorite movies or playing graphics-intensive games, users may experience clear and colorful visuals, thanks to the 11.5-inch diagonal screen length and 2.4K resolution. The tablet also boasts a high refresh rate of 120Hz, making interactions and scrolling on the screen incredibly smooth and responsive. This feature is particularly beneficial for tasks that require fast and accurate touch responses, providing a more immersive and enjoyable user experience. In addition to its impressive display capabilities, the Blackview Mega 1 comes with WidAVAN certification, allowing users to stream high-resolution content from popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney+, without compromising on quality. Audio quality is also a priority with this tablet, as it features 4 speakers that deliver a rich and immersive sound experience. Whether watching movies, listening to music, or video chatting, users can expect clear and powerful audio output. Under the hood, the Blackview Mega 1 is powered by the Helio G99 processor, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Users can choose between models with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, providing ample memory for running multiple apps simultaneously and handling demanding tasks with ease. Storage capacity is generous with 256GB of internal storage, and users have the option to expand it further using a memory card. This allows users to store a large number of apps, games, photos, videos, and other media files, without worrying about running out of space. On the connectivity front, the Blackview Mega 1 supports various navigation options such as GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, ensuring accurate location tracking. Additionally, it offers 4G connectivity, allowing users to stay connected and access high-speed internet on the go. In terms of appearance, the Blackview Mega 1 features slim dimensions of 268.7 by 169 by 7.6 mm, and weighs approximately 528 grams, making it portable and easy to carry around. The sleek and modern appearance adds to its appeal, making it a stylish choice for users looking for a reliable and feature-packed tablet. At a suggested retail price of $199, the Blackview Mega 1 tablet can now be bought on a number of online stores, including AliExpress. Because of its reasonable pricing, it is a popular option for anyone looking for a feature-rich tablet without going over budget. All things considered, the Blackview Mega 1 is a compelling alternative for those looking for a premium and immersive tablet experience because of its remarkable display capabilities, strong performance, improved audio quality, and flexible networking options. Thank you for watching our videos. It is very valuable to us. Have a nice day and God bless you.